Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and there's more than one way to skin a cat, as they say. I just did a video on how to do this with the contour tool, and I was sitting there fixing to erase the file, and I said, this might be just as easy. So if you haven't watched the first one to figure out and haven't seen my one how to get a star in the center of the page, because this is a five-sided star, and you need it in the center of the page to do this. And then I drew the two ellipses or circles, and I just started thinking about this. This would be a fun project and a little bit different look at it, so you might even learn a different way. I would take my 2 point line, and I'm just going to go from the edge to edge and make sure I'm on that line, so I've got edge to edge. I've got my nudge factor set on, let's just say, a ½ inch. I'm going to take that line and I'm going to move it just that one direction. I'm thinking, what? That's too much. Let's just go a quarter of an inch. And I'm going to move that line just laterally to the right. I'm going to move this line just up. Okay. Then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. I'm going to fill in that. You see where I'm going? Then I'm going to set my nudge factor higher in like 10 inches. And I'm going to get this thing out of the way. I'm going to take my star and get it out of the way. Whoop, I grab my circle. Grab my star and move it out of the way. Well, it's the least of getting rid of that. And then you can get rid of these two lines. Now bring your color fill in. Take and make a duplicate of it with Control D. Grab the center rotation and put it in the center. And then rotate this 72 degrees. Duplicate, 144. Duplicate, duplicate. Color in your star, and you get the same result. I don't know which one's even quicker, but it'll give you a different idea on how to do things than running a contour. So if you didn't watch the first one, I ran a contour around the star. It gave it the exact same effect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.